So this is near the apes, and I'm afraid to tell you this. I'm filming this because the restroom looks cold. The fixtures are pretty crappy. Also not going to touch the thermometers with my hands. But here's this crap era. That is extremely weak. Sorry if you can't hear me very well. I have my mask on. More Sloan crappy Sloan fixtures. And this new crap era, which I'm gonna flush anyway. Hand dryer. And there. So this is at the Denver Zoo. It looks very vintage, but it's not, unfortunately. But I did my Diet Coke. And here's some hand dryer paper towels and these. Anyway, it looks vintage, but it isn't. I'm not flushing those Sloans. These are also in the main restroom, along with some Kohler Kingston's, but here is, I kind of like this model of the asphalt, but it must replace some of vintage toilets, so. Here's an older signature. Someone entered, but luckily not. So I also like these toilets, but they replaced them in vintage, so I don't like it right now. So it's also pretty weak. Anyway. Yep. And that's it. So this is at the animal place. This building was the the elephant place. The elephant place was built in 2012, so this is from 2012. But I'm not impressed. These are them pictures. Very weak third pictures. Can't even tell that's flushing. I hate these fixtures. I hate these journals. The toilets aren't that great either. It's American Standard. I like this toilet seat better than that one, but still crappy toilet.